everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am doing a collaboration today with my good friend Debra, and yeah, we have been friends here on YouTube, I want to say about 2 months now, but I have been loving the content she's been putting out. She is a newer YouTuber. She just last month, I believe, hit her 100 subscriber mark, and I am so proud of her. She does a really good job at doing like eyeshadow tutorials or makeup looks and stuff like that, and she uses a lot of products that intrigue me and inspire me to try to recreate looks like her. Yeah, we decided to do a deep brown eyeshadow look for our collaboration. So this is what mine looks like. And if you want to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching, and don't forget to check Debra out at the end of this video. I will have her icon at like a end card at the very end. But yeah, let's get on to the video. Alright, I hope you liked that deep brown plum eyeshadow look collaboration. And yeah, like I said before, this is a collaboration with Debra, one of my friends here on YouTube, and I will have her channel icon at the end of this video, so don't forget to check out her video, a deep brown plum eyeshadow look. Also, I recently did a giveaway video. I posted it last month on the 26th, and it is still going on. It will end the 26th of this month. So you still have time to enter that, so don't forget to enter. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all next time, buddies. Bye!